This is Teiku, a 100,000 RPM air duster, a 2,000 milliamp battery with 51,000, 70,000, and 100,000 three-speed air duster with 5 detachable nozzles and 3 cleaning brushes. It has a wood grain finish, brown. When you first get your unit, please peel off the protective covering that protects the switch from turning on during shipment. Located over here is your charging and LED indicator. It'll light up when you 1, 2, 3 press. We have nozzles that simply fit over so you can blow things away. The first thing we need to do is charge our unit with the USB-C cable. On the back of the unit over here, you plug in and put the other end into a charging area. If you're going to clean a fan, a keyboard, whatnot, simply long press the button, turns on. When finished, long press to shut off. You have a light on the front so you can see what you're doing, and you have different types of brushes that you can choose from. I have an air vent by an air conditioner I want to clean. I have an option to run the unit on slow, medium, and high. The higher you run this, the shorter the battery life. The lower you run it, the longer the battery life. In gear 1, 51,000 RPMs at 30 minutes of runtime. In gear 2 is 70,000 RPMs at 25 minutes runtime. And 100,000 in the third gear, the highest speed, at 20 minutes runtime. You can mix and match, and the run times will vary. So you could grab a wide brush, clean your keyboard, and then turn the machine on so you can get the additional debris out. So you need to clean your camera's microphone door, speaker area, the port, where you need to get all the dirt out. You have a nice machine to do so. You have the option to blow up any rafts, small items, beach balls, and big mattresses. When all done, you have a nice carrying case that you can take and put everything in and keep everything organized. Enjoy your product if this air duster may be right for you.